It smells a little funky. Did you taste this one? It's crazy.
Love me some spinach dip.
This one just looks like straight up cheese. I'm not seeing any sort of green, so I'm curious. This is a good cheese pull. It smells a little funky.
This one's very creamy.
It's really nice and creamy.
Is there chicken in this?
Feels like a pretty standard cheesy dip.
There's nothing too crazy about it.
What savory flavor am I getting?
Probably ranch powder.
Game changer.
This looks crazy.
Why do they have these special chips for this one?
These look intense.
These chips feel fancy, so I feel like this is gonna be the fancy choice.
I like that they look super spicy. I appreciate the homemade pita chip.
It's not cooperating as a dip should, but I'm gonna help it.
That's intense. Oh my God.
Stinky.
You can definitely taste the spinach more in this, and it's kind of spicy. What's happening to me?
You're transforming.
I'm transforming.
I don't think I need blue cheese in my spinach dip.
Is it possible to have too much flavor? The stinkiness of the blue cheese with kind of like the brininess of the artichoke is throwing me off.
It feels like a man's spinach dip. It's actually really good.
I'm gonna have to choose this one. Number 1.
Number 2.
That's Chrissy Teigen.
Oh, Chrissy! She would add some chicken to her dip. Like, she just knows what's going on.
I'm going with number 1. Carla, I hear great things. I didn't meet you when you came to the Delish kitchen, but everyone who did was in love with you.
I love Carla Hall. Love this, so congratulations. Chrissy, I'm a little bummed. This might be the first time we've lost.
Brian, you keep going.